Wow! Uh-oh, more dinosaur letters are hiding. Can you help me find letter K? Little t, not the letter we're looking for. Little k. Now we need big K. Big letter R. We're still looking for K. Nothing here. Oh, big K. We found letter K. Big K, little k. What comes after K? Let's find L. What's under here? Little z. That's a different dinosaur letter. Oh, little L. Now we need big L. Little q. That's not L. There it is, big L. We found the letter L. Big L, little l. Can you help me find M? Here? No, it's little x. Nothing here. Little m. Now we need big M. Not here, it's big B. Nothing under here. What could this be? Big M. We found letter M. Big M, little m. Let's find N. What's under here? Little n. Now we need big N. No, it's little g. Nothing here. Big U, not the letter we need. Big N, we found the letter N. Big N, little n. Let's find our last letter, O. It's little x. Let's keep looking. Big E, not the letter we need. Empty. Little O. Now to find big O. There it is. We found O. Big O, little o. Great matching uppercase and lowercase letters. K, L, M, N, O. That was fun. Let's find more dinosaurs together.